Ladies and gentlemen, we have a special guest for you. This man won independence competition in Brooklyn on more than one occasion. This man sell out a whole club in London with a song, I ain't leaving these boomsy behind. I ain't leaving it.
I am Karima Richards. Panas, you are about to watch Caribbean Inside TV. Enjoy.
Well, hello there.
You are watching Caribbean Inside TV, the engine room of culture.
I will bring to you a master. He made finals here many times before. Make some noise for Mr. Val Adams.
Good morning. Let me see. Give me a wave. It's not so come on, but give me a wave. Greetings coming from Brooklyn and my old crew up there. See the world today in trouble. We're heading in the wrong way. The signs are all around. But what we doing? The planet Earth's in trouble. It's clear and it's plain. The spiritual and the holy are burning with it. Cause nowadays the children take control. Suddenly no discipline left in this world. Some will say this is a new era. Some will say not so by the master. Cause when our kids are sent out to war, some of them don't know what they're fighting for. And some of them we never see again. And guess who does feel the pain? I want all the leaders around us come out and show us what's your purpose. Let us see some dignity of your own. But it seems the way to your future is to experience a nuclear war. When we all will die with just skin and bone. Oh, it's a crucial time. Why today so many suffer? A crucial time. Education now will matter. It's a crucial time. Firefighters keep on burning. A crucial time. Don't you see that the final day is coming? I see that global warming is getting less attention day after day. Sumo hurricane and tsunami we see keep coming. I think the devil has a hand, cause we keep on ignoring the unusual kind of living we're experiencing. We always feel we're ready for disaster, but just come up with the river Katrina, Emily Shea boyfriend, maybe by van. Now we have been believers, but who is to know what will happen? Who knows for sure it's the end? What signs will there be to tell you? It's too late to make amends. We need to cut down on pollution, emphasize more on cultivation, preservation on land and in the sea. But when we choose to dump the nuclear waste in the ocean, now we start a race to the final day for you and for me. Oh, it's a crucial time. How much longer shall we ignore a crucial time? The ice at the poles are melting for sure. A crucial time. Forest fires keep on burning. A crucial time. Don't you see that the final day is coming? morning, behold this here I sing. This message that I bring comes from deep within. Why should we continue to live a day of greed and suffering? We know of Noah's Ark, but this time what are we building? Right today, it's easy to take control. Suddenly the discipline left in this world. Some will say this is the new era. Some will say that so funny fact. But they fight to war. Some of them don't know what they're fighting for. Some of them we never see again. And guess who does feel the pain? We need to cut down on pollution. By some degrees all of the situation. When we retire we just in and go. Oh, it's a crucial time. How much longer shall we endure? Crucial time. For the AIDS and cancer still there's no cure. A crucial time. Forest fires keep on burning. A crucial time. Don't you see that the final day is coming? Oh, oh. Oh. Thank you. It's getting late, guys, and we're gonna run into the other one. As we just studied the new century, how far off it might once have been. And you know time will wait on no one, so prepare for what's oncoming. But as we look ahead to the future, we can't ignore what's there in the past. Recognizing the ones responsible for progress we made from the task. Like the farmer who goes to the mountain long before sunrise, on the back of the donkey to get food for the country. And the fisherman on the sea day and night, a line in the hand. You think the hand ain't hurting he? You think the tide was pulling he? Soon as they return, the supplies they brought all done. But when the next day come, to them again we just have to run. So Uncle Cradle from up in the village, supplying spices and also cabbage. Take a bow. Captain Fred Mulligan, oh no, and the fishermen on the lands also. Take a bow. Stand and take a bow. The Spice Island needs you. If your time allows for contribution she has gotten from you, it is time that you take a bow. Take a bow. Take a bow. It's high time that you take a bow. Specky. Yeah.
Sing well, sir.
Education, advanced or basic, we all need some to move along.
Yeah.
You know it doesn't come by magic. It's the teacher who lays it down. Medical and dental services needed to keep health in control. Doctors work out to prevent diseases coming from all over the world. And the policeman stays up all night. He's turned on duty, protecting you and me in the dark like a zombie. And the busman takes us from point to point, very safe and sound. Let's recognize his identity, a great asset to community. Can we sing a song to show them they all belong. They play a part in the history and progress of a small country. So primary and secondary school teachers, Friday radicals and all our doctors, take a bow, stand and take a bow. Sanitation about man, Friday radicals and all our doctors, take a bow, stand and take a bow.
This by silent in you.
If your time allow for contribution she has gotten from you, it is time that you take a bow. Take a bow, take a bow. It's high time that you take a bow. Sanitation never gets mentioned, but the place always bright and clean. The workers up early each morning with push broom, you hear them sweeping. But potholes are real hard avoiding, cause climate we cannot control. So the travel workers keep pouring Baba Green to cook up each hole. And the police band and DJs they jamming every melody behind Jamal and Specky.
Yeah.
Like Wizard and Squeezy.
Yeah.
And you the fans, all you just keep coming, cause you love the fun. Sometimes your pockets empty, you can say pum for the week. Every time has come to show appreciation for the job you've done, keeping up music moving on. So
every night and turning the cocoa.
take a bow, stand and take a bow. Education, not dance basic.
Take a bow.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening.
And take a bow. This by
Good morning. The contribution she has gotten from you.
It's now time that you take a bow. Take a bow. Take a bow.
Thank you.
Make some nice one.
Let me take this moment to thank you guys for your unwavering support of the culture. Remember to subscribe if you have not done it as yet to keep our culture alive. I'm Lady V, and I'll catch you on our next pit stop. Take care of each other, and thank you for watching.
Yo, I'm Kosha Richards. Panis. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep the culture alive. Boom!
Thank you for having me on.
It's a pleasure to have you here, man. Anytime.
Hey, I am Larry Joseph, Caribbean King of Comedy, and I watch Caribbean Inside TV. You should do it too, because it's so fantastic.
Yo, I'm Kosha Richards. Panis. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep the culture alive. Boom!
Thank you for having me on.
It's a pleasure to have you here, man. Anytime.